Hi everyone, it's Elisa, and I wanted to stop in this morning and just give you some inspiration to keep going, keep building your Etsy business, and just do the best that you can. I have been doing a 30-day challenge, just kind of showing you how my day goes, how I work, and how I make my goods. The main thing that I wanted to point out is that everything that I've shown you, I think we're up to day 11, almost 12, but I have made a career selling my products on my website, on my Etsy shop, on eBay, and on Amazon. And if you look at my Work With Me videos, you will notice that I'm not using any licensed characters. I'm using shapes, numbers, objects, and I just want you to know that you can build your business that way. So therefore, you're not worrying about infringement. As you probably know, if you follow me, I had a run-in years ago with that, and so I'm very careful about the things that I create, and I try to make sure that I'm creating something that is, doesn't have a lot of wording on it, doesn't have logos, and I don't have licensed characters on it. So it's just really important because I want you guys to stay safe. And I know there's a lot of people out there selling kits and selling programs that offer these types of things in it. And I think my goal is to show you that you can do it without using that type of product in your making. And also, I just wanted to share that it's been really fun just, letting you guys see my behind the scenes. It is taking a lot of work. I'm pretty backed up right now with my orders because filming is a little bit challenging when you're trying to make sure the camera's good, but I am enjoying the journey. And so I just want to encourage you to watch my Work With Me videos and just try to take something from it. Keep your eyes open for bright new ideas, things that you can make. I've also been doing a series on my channel where I show you what's hot, what's trending, and what's selling. And there is one little cup that I did see with a cowboy hat on, and that was in one of my what's trending videos. And the ironic thing is that I had just saw that cup at Home Goods, and I never thought to add a name or the word bride or someone's name on top of that hat. So you can go to places like Hobby Lobby and Michael's and find things that you can decorate and that you can embellish and that you can make your own. And that's always a fun thing to do. So I encourage you to get out there and just open your mind up to new ideas. Open your mind up to achieving. Etsy has been doing really great for me this year, which I'm pretty much surprised. Last year it was a little bit of a struggle. I went through a lot of struggles on the platform. That was the first year that had ever happened to me out of, the last 18 years I've been selling. When you go from, doing 2, 3, 400,000 a year on a platform and it drops down 60-70%, it can be challenging. It can put you in a place of just what is happening. And I think that all of that led me here to YouTube. I was pretty angry. I was upset. I didn't know what was happening. When you have a consistent place that you sell on, and I don't want you to mistake Etsy for anything but what it is. You are your brand. Your products are the things that you make. Etsy is just a place for us to take everything that we make. Excuse me, I'm going to adjust this here. And sell it, but it is their house. You got to build your house, and I talked about that in some of my videos, just building your own home and making sure that if you are selling on a platform like Etsy, Amazon, eBay, that you still create your own site, that you still create your own home, because as I saw last year, the plug could be pulled at any moment for us, and you don't want to be in that situation. So just remember, your business is your business. Etsy is their business, and you are just selling out of their house. And that is the difference between having your own website and just selling on somebody else's platform. Just know that you got to keep home first. So you'll notice in my Work With Me videos, I'm always putting out QR codes on my packages. I'm letting people know where they can find my home. Although they met me at a friend's house, my home is on my website. So anyway, I hope that I gave you a little bit of something to go for this morning. I got to get to work, and there's a large truck coming at me, so I got to back up. Have a beautiful day. I'm Elisa. I'll see you later.